In this video, I'm going to show you all the features that bring this project and robot to life, providing the best user experience you will find in a DIY project. The first feature is an animated head. It has a moving antenna, several lights that flash on and off, and even a laser that can extend and retract from the robot. Additionally, the robot is touch sensitive. Simply by placing your hand on its head, the robot detects it and responds with movement and light effect. To control it, I developed a comprehensive control interface based on a Legion Go. This allows me to use the joystick and physical buttons to drive the robot. In the center, there is an 8-inch screen that displays the real-time video feed from the front camera. You can also switch to the feed from the camera located underneath the robot. For both feeds, you can adjust the frame rate and the compression level. The interface features several pages. The first one is to control all the elements on the robot's head. Another one allows you to monitor data from all the motor. The last one displays the raw values of all the physical buttons. The robot can even see in the dark. With a simple tap on the screen, the infrared light turns on and the camera switch mode. You can see everything perfectly. For transport, everything is ready. I use a Pelican style case for maximum protection. When held over the case, the robot automatically adjusts its leg to the right position. You just have to slide it inside, add the batteries and the controller. For power, the robot uses interchangeable homemade batteries. After turning it off with a simple press of a button, you just lift the leg to remove the battery. As you can see, it's very compact with standardized dimensions. This is a pair battery. This one is a dev battery and is completely empty. It features a handle for better ergonomics. Just fold the handle, push the battery into its dock, and you are good to go. This is just a glimpse of the project. In the next video, I will take you through the entire development and how everything was built. Subscribe to follow the journey, and thanks for watching.